Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab salad. Drain and flake 12 Oz crab and combine with 1/3 cup mayo, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. Add 2 celery stalks diced, 2 green onions sliced, and 1 TSB Old Bay seasoning, then stir gently. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, chill for 20 minutes, and serve on greens or as a sandwich filling. For a light, fresh crab salad, gently fold ingredients instead of vigorously stirring, which helps keep crab flakes whole. Keep mayo and crab chilled so the mixture stays firm and flavorful while you prep other elements. Taste as you go and reserve a little lemon juice to add at the end for brightness. Small adjustments create a balanced salad you can serve on lettuce, in a roll, or with crackers for a quick snack. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, shopping lists, and playing music while you cook, and it fits neatly on any counter. I like mentioning it because it makes multitasking in the kitchen simpler and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve crab salad on butter lettuce, in a toasted roll, or atop cucumber rounds for an elegant appetizer. Pair it with a crisp green salad, kettle chips, or toasted bread for contrast and balance. Garnish with chopped dill or parsley and add a lemon wedge so guests can brighten their portion to taste. This simple method keeps flavors clean and makes the salad easy to adapt for lunches or casual entertaining with minimal fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.